Add legend to geopandas. I have a map of Chile, this URL, first link that says Chile continental, and would like to plot it and add some points of centers for which I have latitude and longitude data. I am newbie with geopandas and matplotlib, but I managed to plot the map with the centers as dots of different colors using the suggested answer for matplotlib from this post, color by column values in matplotlib. Here is my code. What I can't make trying different things is the legend to appear. I have tried adding legend equals true. I have tried doing it through defining ax first, but I can't manage to feed the data correctly to create the plot and end up with nothing. Tried this solution, but my SHP file has only one row with multi-polygon info and I don't know how to create the cross data frame proposed. Generating legend for geopandas plot. So far the only thing I have managed to do is showing the dictionary of the IDs with the color number by adding legend at the end as this. geo_df_ .plot equals map .plot fig size equals 40, 30, marker equals O, C equals geo_df_ .color, marker size equals 100, .legend. But I get this error. No handles with labels found to put in legend. But when I pass the color dictionary as an argument, it would show 1 point in the legend. What I would like to achieve is a legend as this. Taken from this post, Ctrl ggplot2 legend look without affecting the plot. My ideal legend would be to have a square on the side with all the colored dots identified with the id center that they represent. So for example, yellow dot, center, 5, purple dot, 8, etc. What I have manages is just one dot, that shows the entire dictionary as this.
Do not use C, but column. And then legend equals true will do the trick to show the legend, and categorical equals true will give you what you want. In this specific case you might run out of colors, so you will have to set another color map if you want all colors different, map equals.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.